afternoon and welcome once again to Thompson & Smith. Today we're very pleased to offer this good looking Vauxhall Mokka Design Nav with a 1.4 turbo petrol 140 PS engine. We've got the car ticking over ready to show first of all the daytime running lights. You also see there the front fogs and front park sensors. We'll just take a closer to the 18-inch alloy wheels. Just walk down the driver's side of the vehicle. A lovely Boracay Blue metallic, the best colour for the Mokka. We'll just come to the offside rear view. And now it's going to take you into the boot area. And you'll see there a good size family boot with a 60-40 split rear seat. Just go under there, you'll see a space saver spare wheel, it's a rarity these days. Come out, you see rear park sensors. It's got a rear view camera as well, which is an option on this particular model. And I'll just take you into the rear seating area, which is in lovely condition. And just walk down the near side of the car. Walk around to the cabin itself to show some of the goodies the car has. You've got electric windows front and rear, electric heated folding door mirrors. I'll show you the seating area itself. So we'll just jump in the car. You'll see auto lights and auto wipers. Trip computer showing very healthy 43 to the gallon there. Giving you the MPG and range. Cruise control is standard. You just slip across to the 8-inch Intellilink media system. So I've got my phone plugged in already, just show you the podcasts and apps and bits and bobs you can load. We'll go into the Google Maps and bits and bobs there. If I take that out back to the car's main menu, you'll see Bluetooth and standard Sat Nav and all DAB radio. Work our way down. This particular car's got a winter pack of heated seats and heated steering wheel. Really nice option. You'll see there dual zone clamp control. Come down a little bit further. You'll see there aux and USB and charging socket. As I mentioned, 6-speed manual gearbox. We'll just put it into reverse, just show you the rear view camera there with the guidance lines. Again, a great feature. Okay, now I've got the service book out already. It's been serviced 5 times with us from day one. It is due another service which we would do on purchase and give it a 12-month MOT and 6-month nationwide R.A.C warranty. Okay, we'll just pop out the car for one more look. And we do offer nationwide delivery. One option I found is right now, more about this car. Call myself Tom. I'm in the sales team on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.